Hey up pond lovers, bit of a different video for you today. I was speaking with Mark about taking the Peterborough Koi Club up to go and see his absolutely amazing place over at the Pond College. Mark is better known on YouTube as the Pond Advisor, so if you haven't seen his channel, go down and check him out. Fantastic videos, a lot of build videos and some lots of amazing water features, which is the reason why I wanted to take the Peterborough Koi Club up there, because Mark doesn't use mechanical filters on his pond. Everything is done naturally, so they're all run with pumps, bog filters, and that's about it. Wetland filters, everything's done naturally. So no UVs, no drums, no easy pods, no nexuses, no box filters, all made with pump, gravel, rocks, maybe the odd sponge or two, but yeah, absolutely phenomenal place. I did get a fair bit of footage while I was up there, but unfortunately it was an extremely windy day, so the audio was just made it unlistenable. So what I've done, I've compressed it, edited it down, and now if you want to see some of the most amazing water features in the UK, continue watching. So yeah, us and the Peterborough Koi Club, we had a fantastic day up there. So thank you to Mark, the pond advisor at the Pond College, for hosting us. I'm feeling extremely summery today. Got my weird shirt on, but it keeps me cool in the garden while I'm doing bits and bobs. So yeah, massive thank you to Mark. As I say, if you haven't seen his channel, go down and check him out. And if you want to see a full tour and a full description of all of his ponds, check out that video up there. And on that note, guys, thanks all for watching. Like the video if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next one.